All right, so basically, I wanted to talk to you guys today a little bit about, the car rental business, all right? And especially if you are going to use it on Turo. Just a few tips on if you guys are going to get into this, how you can actually make more money, okay? Whether you choose to do it with Turo or whether you choose anything else. So I know I haven't been uploading, guys. I apologize. I have a very, very, very good excuse, and that is I've been busy. Right, that's it. But right now, I'm up early trying to get some gas. Apparently, I just woke up to some news about some pipeline shutting down and shit. So, everybody's talking about people hoarding gas and shit. So I ain't taking any chances. I gotta get some gas. So right now I'm at my local gas station, and it's not even a line. It's not even a line or anything. So I don't know. What up? What you say? Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. The prices are normal. There's no line or anything. So let's pump some gas. Hey, this smoked the Challenger all day. What? Get rid of what? This? Oh. They nice. It's just I keep hearing like the maintenance is crazy if you have a problem. That's the only thing. Yeah. I mean, every car got its maintenance. Yeah, because it's a special way or something. I heard, yeah. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. The only button to be pressing, man. Super. This is good. For a gas station, if you guys have a Wawa near you, definitely try their food, man. Definitely. Missing out. Let me show you guys a little bit of how much I pay for gas.
Grab a U-glove from the dispenser, pump your fuel, and dispose of gloves. Find U-gloves and hand sanitizer.
Well, I had a little bit of gas in there, so usually it's a little bit over 60. Oh, my bad. I didn't know what? Yeah, that's my YouTube. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Nope. God damn it. Let me get a... Hey, just this. Hey, if you guys out here and you hear about the news, don't go hoarding gas, man. It's not needed. Just get gas as needed. Everything will be fine, man. All right, promise. Ooh. All right, so let me get out of here, man. I would talk to her, but y'all know I ain't got no game. Hey, oh, she got a Genesis too, the older one. Those cars are nice. Should talk to her if she tried the newer ones. It's nice. All right, so basically, I wanted to talk to you guys today a little bit about, the car rental business, all right? And especially if you are going to use it on Turo. So right now, if you guys watch the part 1 to 4 of starting a car rental business, you guys will see you know, how I started everything up to the point where I got, you know, a few customers and everything. So just a few tips on if you guys are going to get into this, how you can actually make more money, okay, whether you choose to do it with Turo or whether you choose anything else. So right now it's going great for me. I can't even complain. It's doing very well, and I'm going to buy more cars. I don't know an exact date yet. I don't know what car exactly yet. I think I'm going economical for the next few cars, but you know, I need more cars. That's a must. So you know, I had to hit it a little bit. So as far as making more money in the car rental business, all right, whether you're doing it with Turo or, you know, whatever you're using, it doesn't matter, right? Just ways you guys can make more money. I do it right now. I've been experimenting with it with the first few customers, and now I think it's something that, you know, I can constantly do and it works for me, right? So one of the first things I do, okay, is that I offer customers a pickup and drop off. So, you know, when people come to rent your car, usually they're taking a taxi to and from your pickup location for the car, right? So what I've been doing is that I'm telling people, you know, I could come pick you up at your location to then come back to my location where the car is, because of course I need to come back home. And you know, I would charge them a fee. The fee I charge them is that it's based on what a taxi or an Uber would cost them. So I would ask them to, you know, let me know the cost of it. You know, I'd ask them to see it or whatever. And whatever the cost is, I would charge them less of that. So whether it's 50% or whatever. Right now I've been doing 50%. I might increase that a little bit because, you know, at the end of the day, it's still saving the customer. You know, it's still saving them money, and I can make some money. So I might increase that a little bit, but for now I just say give me half of what the Uber would have cost you. So for the pickup, for the drop off is the same. You know, people, they don't have a car, so it's the same thing. They usually take an Uber or a taxi or whatever back to the airport when they're leaving or wherever, you know. So that's one thing I've been doing, pickup and drop off services. Another thing is they come here and usually they have to buy a lot of necessary items, all right? So a lot of times people probably need things like hand sanitizer. They might need some stuff at like a local grocery store. I'm still like analyzing it all and trying to like find out what kind of stuff people are normally getting when they come here. I would literally ask people sometimes, you know, like what are some things they normally do when they come down here and things like that, you know. And I'm gathering all that information, man, and learning the wants and needs of people, and then, you know, providing some service or product to them, man. This shit works, all right? Another way you guys can make more money in this car rental business is having economical cars, man. I know a lot of people, you know, you want to buy like sports cars, Corvettes and stuff. There's nothing wrong with that, but I don't think it's something you should do in the beginning because it is highly risky. You don't know if people rent it. The people that rent that car, usually they're probably gonna beat on it. Versus an economical car, you know, the chances of somebody buying the car and they're gonna abuse it is very less. And you know, they get these economical cars because usually they drive a lot of miles or they're going far, or they have the car for quite a few days because it's more affordable. So the economical car that I have, the Toyota Camry, is working very well for me right now, and that's why I say the next few cars that I'm going to get, they're probably going to be more economical cars because that shit works, right? That's the money maker. That car has never been down as far as like people not renting it. Maybe the most a couple days, but after a couple days I get another booking. Like, it's just never down, you know what I mean? And you know, my cousin actually told me this before I got in, that the Toyota Camry is never gonna not be booked. But you know, I didn't really take it literally. I thought like, okay, like I would have at least half the month booked or something like that. No, that car is never not booked, man. So yeah, that free game right there, Toyota Camry or any economical car that's similar, man, definitely do it. Now a Toyota Corolla, someone was telling me about that. They were trying to sell it to me, and I thought about it, and I don't know if I want to get the Corolla because it's a little bit smaller. I noticed the Camry, you know, it has a lot more space, and it's still economical. So I'm thinking maybe I should get more Toyota Camrys. The maintenance is easy. You know, it's a Toyota, so it's pretty much bulletproof, right? So I might do that, man. But that's what I've been doing so far, guys. It hasn't even been, has it been 2 months since I've been in this game? I don't even think it's been 2 months. I'll put the dates on the screen, man. But it hasn't even been that long, and I'm already learning this in and out, man. And it's honestly only gonna go up from there. I already feel the impact in my wallet. I feel it getting heavier, you know. So I can feel the profits of everything I'm doing, not just the car rental business, you know. And that's when you know you're on the right path, when you actually start to feel the impact financially. You know, you feel it. You feel just your cash flow and everything just different. You know what I mean, man? All right, guys. So that's going to be it for this video, man. I hope you guys take away something from this video, man. Let me know if you guys have any questions on the car rental business, the Camaro, or anything, any of the other things I mentioned. I do. If you guys have any questions, you can let me know, man. But that is going to be it for this video. Really appreciate you guys watching. See you all in the next one, man. Let's go.